CNC stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Centene stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at CNC, this thing is going down. Me especially, I mean, having done well over 43,000 videos and all documented, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. With CNC, it's been a very, very solid bearish market, let's put it this way. For me to come here and just start talking some FOMO BS, right, wouldn't be me, man. Like, genuinely speaking, it's just a normal bearish range, and for me to be bullish, either big catalyst happens, or, you know, I see breaks above 28.77, and if neither of those things happen, then I'm not gonna freaking sell or buy, right? Like in this case, I was talking about the long side. But yeah, like, I'll keep you updated. It's currently in a bearish range. That's all about it. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.